Hello friends, this is an unboxing video of my newly purchased high definition multimedia or HDMI cable. This is from Red Gear. This is not a famous company, but I found an offer on flipkart.com. It was very cheap, and it had a lot of features, so I bought this. Talking about the cable itself, you know what is HDMI, so I don't think that I need to explain high definition multimedia interface. So talking about the features, so you can see high definition with Ethernet, supports internet and supports 3D TV, full HD 1080p. It's got 24K gold plated connectors, zinc alloy shells, protective nylon sleeve, so you can find here. This is the zinc alloy shells, and this is the front car itself, and in the back, the feature list again. High definition multimedia with Ethernet, up to 1080p resolution. So this cable supports up to 1080p resolution and does not support 4K or 2K resolutions. That is going to come in the next few months, and it's already there. And it's got EMI shielding. I don't know what that is. 24K Carat gold plated connectors, bandwidth of 10 GB per second, high definition multimedia interface, trademark certified. It got a flat belt for better cable management. So flat belt is just for cable management and nothing else. No matter how the cable is, it's round, how flat, it doesn't matter. So let's now unbox. That's about it, the features. And okay, I don't know how to open this actually, so wait a second, let me get a blade now. I don't have a blade. Let's take a scissors and cut the top portion off. Since that's gone, thought this would open, but it is not. Yeah, it's opened. A second, let me open this and I'll get back to you. Wait a second. Oops, I got this cover off. Here's the cable. Yes, got the cable out of that stupid box. Let's throw that away. And also this cover, so you can see, oh my god, this is seriously of high quality. Let's take this cover off, take this plastic thing off, and also let's take this off, and one more right here. Okay, so this, I forgot to mention, this is 2 meters. The length of this cable is 2 meters. As you can see, it's gold plated, and this is the zinc alloy shells, and here is the nylon covering surrounding the cable. It's a pretty flat cable, yeah, it's 2 meter in length. Wow, and yeah, it feels solid. And let's see how it works. So that's about it, my friends. I'll let you know about the performance. If you have any doubts about HDMI cable, DVI cable, VGA cable, or any kind of doubts regarding computer stuff, you can comment, you can ask me, you can message or whatever. So that's about it. Thank you, friends, and subscribe.